Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 6 and onwards of Surah Al-An'am. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم يروا كم أهلكنا من قبلهم من قرن. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws. Lam for fatha open jaws attached with meme. You will get zip off tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Yeah is soft, and for fatha open jaws. Araw, wow lean, make it soft. Araw, kam for fatha open jaws attached with meme. You will get zip off tawassut, and hukmuhu idhar. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get zip off rakhawa. Lak. For fatha open jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sip of hums, and hums is flow of breath. How we create it? Kaf is shidda letter. We give shidda to it, like we close the makhraj strongly, and the sound cuts off, and then we open it little. The pressure behind it will be released, and that is hums. That is a flow of breath. Lak, na, 2 counts long. Nia, for kasra, give E sound. Don't forget this E sound when you are creating ikhfa. This ikhfa is heavy. First, say this E sound, me, and then say the heavy ikhfa. You are hiding the sound of noon. You are going towards the makhraj of qaf, and you are you are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min qab. Qaf is heavy, but ba is light. Qab. And ba is majhura letter. There is no flow of breath or sound, so the qalqala will be very clear. Qabli, for kasra, give E sound. Him. This is ikhfa idgham shafawi. So this will take gunna, which will be akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Him, mim, again, me, and then heavy ikhfa with the letter qaf. Mim, qaw. Qaf is heavy. For fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will be heavy too because there is fatha before it. And ra will get sifa off. Tawassut. Qaw. Mim. For kasra, give E sound attached with mim. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Neem, and don't forget this E sound and then attach with neem. Neem, makkan, mak, attach with kaf first, and kan. This is gunna akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, and then it is 2 counts long. Hum, for the circular lips attach with me, we will get sifa of the wasat, and hukmuhu idhar. Feel, for kasra, give E sound attach with lam, lam will get sifa of the wasat, and the wasat should not be too long. It's medium flow of sound. It's a shorter version so of rakhawa, right? So don't do rakhawa here. This is tawassut. Feel aru. Hamza is sharp. Fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will be heavy, and because there is fatha before it, and ra will get sifa of tawassut. Aru. Li. For kasra, give E sound. Make dad heavy by lifting your tongue nicely up. Dad has itbaq too. So li. Aru. Li. Ma, 2 counts long. Lam, for fatha open jaws attached with me, we will get sifa of the basat. Nu, for the circular lips, the sound is short. Mak, this kaf will get sifa of shidda. Makil, makil. And this is idgham without gunna. So you're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Kil, for kasra, give E sound and then attach it. Lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Nu, makilla, la. For fatha open jaws, kum. For the muscle lips attached meme, meme will get sifa of tawasut. حكمه إظهار. ومخرج of circle in your lips بفتح open jaws. Hamza is very sharp بفتح open jaws attached ra. Ra will get sifa of tawasut, and ra is heavy because there is fatha before it. Sel بفتح open jaws attached lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Nas noon is attached seen. Yes, there is raqawa, and it has safir and it is light, but you are not uh, like, don't give a pressure on it. Just the sound, let the sound flow. Nas, sa, ففتح open jaws. Ma, mad muttasil wajib. ففتح open jaws. The sound is short with hamza. Ain from your throat. ففتح open jaws. Lay, yeah, this is yailin. Make it soft. Lay, him. For kasra E sound, this is idgham shafawi. So this idgham is always idgham. Yeah, some of idgham has no gunna, but most of the idgham has akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Alayhim mid. For kasra give E sound and then attach with dal. Dal will get a clear qalqala because dal is majhura letter. So there will be no flow of sound or breath. So the qalqala will be very crisp and nice. Need ra, 2 counts long. Raw, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ja, is a majhura letter. There should not be any flow of breath, otherwise it will sound like ch. So there should not be any flow of breath. Ja, majhura. Majhura means hums. The opposite hums is jahar. So the letter which has jahar is majhura. So al, ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Nal, for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. An, for hamza is sharp, for fatha open jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut. Ha, 2 counts long. Ra, ra is heavy, fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Taji, ta is very sharp, fatha open jaws. That jim will get sifa of qalqala, and this qalqala is very strong because jim is majhura letter. There is no flow of breath or sound. Taji, ra is light because there is kasra under it, and make it 2 counts long. Mia, mia. For kasra give E sound, and then there is ikhfa. You are going towards the makhraj of ta. You are hiding the sound of noon, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mia, tah. For fatha, ta is very sharp sound. There's no flow, and for fatha upon jaws attached with ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and ha should be from your throat nicely. Tahti, for kasra give E sound. Him, for kasra give E sound attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut, and hukmu with ha. Fa, give hams, but don't give too much pressure of your teeth on your lip. Just let the breath flow. Fa, fa. They should be the breath should go through that place where you are placing your teeth on your lip. Fa, fa. If you will put pressure on the lip, then there will be no flow, and the sound will be redirected to any other place to escape. But don't do that. Just let the flow of breath flow. Let it flow. The, for fatha open jaws attached with ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Lek, for fatha open jaws attached with kaf. Here the kaf, whenever the kaf is With the sukoon, it gets humps, and humps is flow of breath. Lak, lak, na, 2 counts long. Hum. This is ikhfa shafawi, so keep the sound in your nose. Hum, B, focus give E sound. Lu, to give the ba sound in dal, don't make it like dal. If you are not placing your tongue on its place, like it should touch the edge of your upper two teeth. If you're not placing right, the tongue should, so it will sound like dal. It is not dal, it is zal. Du, no, 2 counts long. And for the circle lips, B, for kasra give E sound. Him, for kasra give E sound attached with meme, we will get sifat tawassut. And hukmuhu idhar, uwa, makhraj of power circling your lips, fatha open jaws. Ah, Hamza is sharp, fatha open jaws. This ikhfa is light. And the makhraj of sheen is when you lift your tongue up towards your palate. Yes, in ikhfa, your tongue should be in the same position, but it's not saying that letter. It's not it's not uttering the letter now, right now, but it should take the position to say it. While you are saying ikhfa, your tongue should be in a position to say sheen. So your tongue should be lifted up towards the palate. Uh, sh, sh. The sound will be cut off when you are attaching with hamza. Sh, 2 count long. Mim, iqlab. You're changing the sound of noon into meme. That is why it is called iqlab. You're changing it. Iqlab means to change. So, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Mim, di. For kasra give E sound. Him. For kasra give E sound attached with mim. You get sifa. Tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Qar. Qaf is heavy. Keep qaf heavy. Qar. For fatha open jaws attached with ra will get sifa of tawassut, and ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Qaw. Nan. And this is idhar, so the sifa will be tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. 2 counts long. Kha is heavy for fatha open jaws. Reen. Because of the waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 count vowel into 4. This is mad alad lis-sukoon. ألم يروا كم أهلكنا من قبلهم من قرن مكناهم في الأرض ما لم نمكن لكم وأرسلنا السماء عليهم مدرارا وجعلنا الأنهار تجري من تحتهم فأهلكناهم بذنوبهم وأنشأنا من بعدهم قرنا آخرين. ولو فواو مخرج الواو, circle your lips, fatha open jaws. لو wow, lean, so make it soft. Lean means to make it soft, nicely. Take fatha and attach with wow. This is the procedure where you should bring softness. لو naz. For fatha open jaws, attach with za will get sifa of rahawa, and it has safir. Naz. Yes, you are creating this sound, but you are not pressing too hard. Naz. If you will press too hard, the safir and rakhawa will not flow. How you will able to hear it? So give medium pressure, nazzal, and there should be a Z sound. It should not be the mixture of S and Z. The za is za and the seen is seen. Seen has snaky sound and za has the zalzala sound. Z. Naz, nazzal. Tawassut, na, two counts long. From your throat. Lay. It's soft. This is yailin. Make it soft. Lay. For patop on jaws. Focus right. Keep E sound. Ta is sharp sound. No a sharp sound. When I say sharp, it means no flow of sound. Two counts long. Ba. This is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is with fa, letter fa. So the makhraj of fa, you are going very, very close to that makhraj, but you are not pronouncing it yet. So you are not touching the makhraj, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. Da, two counts long. Qil. Qaf is heavy and ra is heavy too, because this is different scenario. Yes, qaf should have been should be light because there is kasra, but the other one condition which we should be very aware of is if there is a heavy letter غير مكسورة. If it's there is a heavy letter, and that is without kasra, then ra will be heavy. Okay, so I'm repeating the why this ra is heavy here. Okay, make sure that ra is making you are making ra heavy, and I'm explaining why. The ra can be light because there is kasra before it, but the other one condition which we should be very careful about it, that we should check the next letter too. If the next letter is a heavy letter and it has no kasra on it, then ra will be heavy. So that is why ra is heavy, because after that there is ta, and ta is among the heavy letter, and it is ghair maksura. It's not maksura. It's not with kasra. So ra will be heavy now. So qir, for kasra give isam qir, and ra will get tawassut, and ra is heavy. Qir, ta is heavy and make it two counts long, and ta is the most heaviest letter, and here it has met the conditions which is making it more heavy. So ta, you remember alif with alif madda, when heavy letters have alif madda with it, then the level of heaviness will be higher, most higher. So, qa, this is a ikhfa with fa. So you are keeping the sound in your nose. You are hiding the sound of noon. It actually is what it was seen, but now you are removing the sound of noon and you're going towards the makhraj of fa. This is what ikhfa is. Fa, give hums in fa. For fatha upon jaws. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Su, for the circle ellipse, make it two counts long. Hu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. B, for kasra, give E sound. I, this is yailin, so make it very soft. When you are attaching fatha with ya, this is the process you should be making it softly. I, D, two counts long. Him, for kasra give E sound attached mim, you will get sifat tawassut, and hukmuhu idhar. La, for fatha upon jaws. Qaf is heavy. Make it two counts long, and the level of level of heaviness is more higher, so make it more heavy. La, qa, lal. For fatha upon jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The. Give this zabdaba sound in dal. Otherwise, it will it will sound like a dal. We should not do that. But you're not pressurizing when you are saying a dal. Let the sound flow. Na. For fatha upon jaws, ka. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fa. Give hums in fa. For fatha upon jaws, ru. Ra is heavy because it has dhamma on it, and it is a long vowel because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Kafaru. In. For kasra, give e sound, attach it noon. This is إظهار. حكم إظهار and صفة is توسط. In. Ha 2 counts long. The مد منفصل جائز. Hamza is sharp. Focus like e sound, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La 2 counts long. Sih. Focus like e sound, attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa, and it should be from your throat. Sih. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mu. For the circular lips, the sound is short. Bean. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad adat lis sukun. And as you are pronouncing ya with the long vowel, so your tongue should be apart. It should be away from your palate. So open your mouth a little, so create this position. So listen how we do it. Mubi bean. You're not closing your mouth, otherwise the your tongue will be touching the palate. So don't let it touch. Okay. Mubi be mubin. And tawassut, not rakawa. So don't cross that limit. ولو نزلنا عليك كتابا في قرطاس فلمسوه بأيديهم لقال الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين. ومخرج of our circling ellipse. Qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long, and the heaviness is higher. The level of heaviness is higher, so make it heavy. Lu. Make sure keep lam light and make it 2 counts long. And for the circle lips, low. This is wow lean, so make it soft. When you are attaching lam with wow, here you are creating softness. Low, la. Mad munfasil jaiz. Uh, uh, This sound is created because we are changing the position of dhamma on hamza. We are giving dhamma as we are touching ikhfa. Our lips are on normal position. When this is changing the position, the ikhfa is more clear and more nice. Z for kasra, give e sound. La for fatha upon jaws. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lay. Ya. This is yailin. Yailin means soft. Yeah. If I say in English, it's soft. Yeah. When you're attaching fatha with ya, here you are applying softness. Lay. He for kasra, give e sound. Malak. Fatha upon jaws, and fatha on lam, open jaws, and then attach it kaf. Here it will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. And alhamdulillah, you can hear me saying it well. Alhamdulillah. و مخرج الواو circling your lips فتحة open jaws low. This is wow lean. So yeah, when you're saying it softly. low. Hamza is sharp, and you're going towards the makhraj of za. You're hiding the sound of noon, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Zal for fatha open jaws attach it. Lam gets about tawassut. Na 2 counts long. Ma for fatha open jaws the sound is short. La for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Kal, this is idgham without gunna. You're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Kal la for fatha open jaws. Pu, off is heavy for dhamma circle lips. The sound is short. Li, blood is heavy and it has its itbaq. Qaf is heavy, but it's not as heavy as dad because dad has itbaq too. Quli, quli, yel. For fatha open jaws attach it. Lam will get sipab tawassut. Hamza is sharp. For fatha open jaws attach it. Mim will get sipab tawassut. Hukmuhu idhar. Uru, ra is heavy. For dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Thum, for dhamma circle ellipse attach it. Mim will get sipab gunna. And this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La, 2 counts long. Yung, for dhamma, circle your lips. As you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position, but should not be stretched behind. No, you are not pulling, or you are not pulling it back, but it should be in a normal position. When you are removing the effects of dhamma, this is the normal position for your lips. Yung, for fatha open jaws. Urun. Ra is heavy because there is dhamma on it. And because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat li sukoon. وقالوا لولا أنزل عليه ملك ولو أنزلنا ملكا لقضي الأمر ثم لا ينظرون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.